Hello students, in previous part of this chapter you have read about the methods of data handling. Now we are going to learn another topic of this chapter, that is probability. Right? So what is probability? Probability is the chance. That means we often say that it might rain today or not, right? So that is a chance to rain today. It might not happen, but we take a chance, right? So, like if we take coin has two faces, head and tail. Okay? If we toss a coin, it might have happened that head comes on the top or tail comes on the top. So we can say that it is a chance or the probability of coming head or tail. So we have a formula for the probability. What is the formula for probability? This is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. What it means? This means if we toss a coin, we have total number of outcomes 2, okay, but I am expecting head. So, favorable outcome is head, that is 1, okay. Suppose if I say that what is the probability of coming head on the top? So, we can say that favorable outcome 1, total number of outcome 1, 2. So, the probability of coming head on the top is 1 by 2. Okay, let's take another example. If I take a dice consists of 6 number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I want that the number which comes on the top should be an even number. So, how many even numbers? 1, 2 and 3. So, favorable outcomes will be 1, 2 and 3. And total number of outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, probability of coming even number on the dice will be 3 by 6, or we can say 1 by 2, because on dividing 3 by 6 will be 1 by 2. That will be your answer. Okay. Now, if I say what is the probability of coming 1 on the dice, that will be, so I have favorable outcome 1 and number of outcomes 6. So, for the probability of coming 1 on the dice is 1 by 6. Okay, got it? Let's take another example. Now, if I say that what is the probability of coming multiple of 3 on the dice? So, how many multiples of 3? 1, 2. Only 2 multiples of 3 are there. So, number of favorable outcomes are 2 and total number of outcomes are 6. Alright. So, we get 1 by 3 as a probability of multiple of 3 comes on the dice. Okay. Let's do the exercise 3.4. Okay. So first question is, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So first is, you are older today than yesterday. This is certain. As we grow, as the days passes, we grow older. So this is certain to happen. That means it will happen. Next is, a tossed coin land on heads up. If we toss a coin, what is the probability? Probability of coming heads up. Okay, so we can say it can happen but not certain. This is not fixed that if you toss a coin that will come heads on the top. Okay, it can be tail also, but one of the face will definitely come, right? So this can happen but not certain. Rest of the part you will do on your own. Let's do question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with number 1 to 6 marked on each. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? We have marbles, 6 marbles. Each are marked with number. Okay. So what is the probability of getting this marble? Okay. So what is the formula of probability? This is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, right? Okay, so we have only one favorable outcome, that is 1, and total number of outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the probability of getting a marble marked with 2 is 1 by 6. This is the part 1. Let's do part 2. What says, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Okay, let's take the probability of getting a marble with marking 5. So same, what is the formula of probability? Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So we have favorable number of outcomes 1 and total number of outcomes 6. So the answer of the second part is 1 by 6. That is, the probability of getting this marble which is marked by 5 is 1 by 6. Alright. So this was your chapter data handling.